talk about hybrid knowledge engineering for facility management. My work is integrating large language models through case studies of fire safety management, a critical domain. Okay, facility management contains multiple disciplines to ensure functionality of the built environment by integrating people, places, processes, and technology. As a result, managers are facing with many challenges due to the increasing demand for a high quality of life, globalization, the fast development of information technology. To understand these challenges, 145 research has been reviewed, and total 5 challenge categories has identified, which are inadequate information infrastructure, lack of standardized processes, insufficient training, poorly identified required data, and bad information quality. If we have a close look, we are seeing the challenges in the literature are mainly knowledge gap. They are based on knowledge gap. And so what is knowledge that we are talking about for centuries? So if we ask this to Confucius, he would say to know is to know that you know nothing. That's the true meaning of the knowledge. And if we ask this to Socrates, he would say the only true wisdom is knowing that you know nothing. But this mentality doesn't work for us in the 21st century, right? So let's listen. Bacon says that knowledge is power, and actually that power follows a clear logic. Data becomes information when processed, and the information becomes knowledge when contextualized. And from there, human expect to reach wisdom, but the big question is how do we get this knowledge and to reach the wisdom? Because data is everywhere. We already have digital tools, software, and automation to put them together, but tools alone are not enough. And it's challenging, such as traditional methods, rigid expert systems. What we need is innovation. And that's where my research is coming to play. I am doing the research of the most exciting recent developments in AI, which is AI and large language models. And but rather than applying this LLM blindly, I'm focused on real world, the critical domain, which is fire safety management, which takes zero tolerance when one wrong decision can cost human lives, right? Because LLMs are powerful, yes, but also unpredictable. They hallucinate, they make confident mistakes, they even lie just to please us, but I don't want AI just act like an expert. I realized during my experiment prompts are very naive, and they are not alone the answer. They have black box system. So I propose hybrid knowledge engineering methodology to guide LLMs into sound and useful decision making. Think of this. Explicit knowledge is easy to imitate, but tacit expert knowledge that comes from years of experience, practice, and domain-specific reasoning, that's harder. My research investigates how we can train AI not just to recite the fire codes, but think like the chief safety manager who's been in that building working for 20 years. The answer is not in the tool, but in how we structure the information flow in the tool. We need frameworks, not just prompts. We need conceptualization, operationalization, formalization, which are the core established knowledge engineering methodologies. AI is not here to replace our judgment, it is here to help us. So my research lays a foundation, not just for automation in construction, but for innovative and responsible intelligence-built environment. And I have a couple of publications during my PhD. End of my presentation. Thank you so much.